What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on Gala Games token. And on today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then we'll continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this token. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here, at this very point when we had this, as you can see, we had these two candles. It was an attempt to break this range of resistance, and we rolled over to the downside, and then we had another attempt to break this resistance. And I've told you on my previous video that we have this channel, and most likely this channel breaks to the downside, and we have to complete our retracement and we have to see lower ranges. And I've told you literally that we have to break either this support or this resistance. And we have to break it with increasing volume. And as you can see, this red volume represents this massive movement to the downside. And we broke this this support, then retested from the bottom, and it was another sign that we will hit lower targets. On top of that, we had the 55 exponential moving average, 8 exponential moving average, and 13 exponential moving averages as resistances, and we went lower from this range, and it was very good confluence level that confirmed the next leg to the downside. And as you can see, it happens exactly as I predicted, and I have to say that I nailed the majority of latest movements of Gala Games token. That's why you can rely on my analysis as a part of your due diligence. So, and let's continue with the total sentiment for entire crypto industry, and then we will continue with the technical analysis. So we are sitting at $1.9 trillion of total market cap. It is a 2.9% decrease over the last day. And as you can see, main cryptocurrencies are in red. Bitcoin lost about 1.5%, Ethereum lost about 3.5%, and BNB lost about 2%. And on a 7 days period, we have mixed movements. Bitcoin gained about 2.4%, Ethereum lost about 1.5%, and the BNB gained about 1%. So I have to say that we are in consolidation phase, and let me show you the Gala numbers. It has a total market cap of $2.16 billion. It is a 6.37% decrease over the last day. And the total tradable volume is $1.19 billion. It is also 23.2% decrease over the 24 hours period. And this movement to the downside with a lower volume than we had previously is quite good sign. This means we are in consolidation phase, and potentially we are about to see next leg to the upside. On top of that, let me show you that on the entire list of top cryptocurrencies, if I click on a 7 days period gains, we have Gala Game on the first place with the more than 43% increase on a 7 days period. And Gala Games is the leader. It is above even the Shiba Inu coin, and definitely it is a very bullish coin for now. And I think it is only the beginning. So let's continue with their official Twitter page, and we have a lot of news right here. We have a lot of reposts, and we all know that for now Gala Games started its new sub-industry, and it is the music, Gala Games Music. And on my previous video I've told you about the partnership with Snoop Dogg, and as you can see, the tweet that was published just 4 hours ago related directly to Snoop Dogg's arrival to Townstar. And definitely it is a good partnership. But on top of that, we have Gala Games event that started just yesterday, and it is a very important milestone for the entire industry. And as you can see, we have a lot of tweets from this event, and definitely we have a lot of retweets of this event, and it is a very good sign from the fundamental standpoint that Gala Games music is another direction where we can see the development of Gala Games company. And that's why I think Gala still has a huge room to grow. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, as you can see, we had these 66% gains from one of my previous calls, and I don't need this tool for now. And we have, let me show it to you more thoroughly, we have this Elliott wave breakdown. We completed all 5 waves, and when we complete all 5 waves, we have to pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from the very bottom to the very top, and this means we can project some levels of retracement. And I have to say that we have 2 possibilities. First of all, we have for this A, B, C correction with the extension in the B wave that is slightly above our previous 5th wave, or let me show you right here that I pulled the first wave from this level, not from the very lowest point. And if I pull it from the lowest point, we have, this is our first wave, this is our second, this entire huge movement to the upside is the 3rd wave, this is the 4th, and this is the 5th. And in this case, we have to pull Fibonacci retracement tool from the very bottom, from this level to this one, and we have following targets. We might land at 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level. As you can see, it is the confluence with this yellow line, yellow support line that we had previously from the previous price action. And definitely we already broke the 0.382 range, and we might have next leg to the downside in order to have a bounce, at least a bounce from this range. And if this breakdown is correct, if I mark it like this is our 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th and 5th, and I have to upgrade this scale. If it is the case, we have to pull our ABC correction not from this point, but from this one. Let me show it to you. We have to pull it from the very top, and we have to have 3 or 5 waves in our first wave, in our A wave of retracement. Then we have to have 3 waves, strictly 3 waves in our B wave, and we have to have 5 waves in our C wave. And if it is the case, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, probably we have the bottom of our A wave right here, but I'm still confusing with this range, with this movement. That's why we have to be cautious, but all in all, the consolidation should last at least 1/3 to 1/2 of this initial movement to the upside. And I have to say that we are nearing this range, and in my opinion, we have to have a bounce to our B wave to form our B wave in upcoming day, and then we have to have our C wave. And with the total bullishness of this asset, we might have our C wave at the same range than we have our A wave, or we might have some lower ranges, and the most probable range of trend reversal is definitely the golden pocket, and it is the confluence with the top of our first wave right here. And if it is the case, our accumulation point might be at 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level and 0.65 at the price points in between $0.25 to $0.26, and next one is 0.28, almost $29. These ranges are extremely important because from these ranges we might start next leg to the upside to hit higher targets. And definitely when we will have the bottom of our C wave, I will project some major targets, and the upside potential for this asset is quite huge. So I think from the technical standpoint, that's it for now. We are still in consolidation phase, and we have to be prepared for this type of price action. It is not set in stone, it is just a forecast, and we cannot rely on the range of the B wave exactly at this price point. We might have it truncated or extended. It is just an assumption. And If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!